So again, it says find the measure in radians of the central angle that intercepts the arc of the circle of the radius r and the indicated arc length s. So again, when you're doing your homework, it actually is quicker, right? I would go right back to the beginning of the notes and I would review this real quick. And I would say, oh, okay, theta is equal to s over r. I don't know what s is because Mr. Adams explained it to me 2 times. So then I read it. It says if the central angle theta in a circle with the radius r intercepts the arc of a circle, the arc on the circle length s, then the measure of theta is given in radians by. And so when you read that and you look at the example, then you just go from there. And then also read the note. It says the formula is valid only if s, the arc length, and the radius are expressed in the same units. So that's another thing we got to be careful on. Remember, one of the examples we did had different units. So we need to be aware of that. So problem number 2 is in different units. Maybe I should go back and do problem number 2. I'll do it after I do number 3. So when we just did homework problem number 1, they were in the same unit, inches and inches. So that works. They have to be the same units. Number 3 is also in the same units, but also, so again, I'm going to draw the picture. I got a circle, okay? There's a radius, r, which is equal to 1/4 of an inch. And that radius creates an angle theta, and then we'll have a sublength, an arc length of s, which is equal to 1/16 of an inch. So then to find theta, remember that the relationship between those is theta is equal to s over r, but s is the arc length, which is 1/16 inches, divided by the radius, which is 1/4 inches. Now, the reason Mr. Adams writes the units out is that's a nice way for me to double check. See, if they're different units, then it won't cancel. So they have to be the same units or they won't cancel. And you might have to convert. We'll go back and do problem number 2, and we'll have to do some conversion. But now the challenge for this one is, really what we're saying is we're saying what is 1/16 divided by 1/4. So whenever we divide by a fraction, we multiply by the reciprocal, right?